Alright guys, got ammo can, Plano. I think it's good quality. You see it at Walmart for $4.30, but I didn't buy this from Walmart because I don't like Walmart stuff. I got this one from Field and Supply, Brandshopper, FPA. Picked it up for $9.29, free shipping. One can. This fits. It's nice. And you can nice decent handle. Fit quite a bit of ammo in there actually. Got STS primer on top here. 20 gauge. There I bought a 100 round pack of a Winchester Universal. It's at the bottom of this, all of it, and then I put 2 more full 25 STS on here, so 50 plus 19 more, so you know 169 rounds in this container of 20 gauge. Not bad fit, man. It takes up a lot of less space in the boxes. So it's nice. Got a nice seal. Nice rubber sealer in here. Feels great. Looks good. So you can stack these. You got your marks. These are going to be on the bottom as well. Nice latch system. Boom. Yeah. Come on. Don't buy your stuff from Walmart though. Alright guys. Peace. Plano. This is Camo Guns and Ammo. Peace.